He expelled a lot of us. Peed, Peng, Nong left the school as well.
Has your father known about this yet?
I'm dare enough to tell him. I'm afraid he might be sad.
Then what are you going to do next?
I don't know. Dang. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah, tell me.
Can I join your gang? I can't be a good man, then let be a bad one. At least I won't be starved.
Hey, are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
You shouldn't do that, Piak. It's not that you don't have any choices. You are an educated person. You can really get a very good job.
If it's that easy, why there are a lot of thieves? In the age that politicians, corruption causes the economy fall. Finding a job is much harder than finding a gun.
If things remain the way they are, it should be next month, Father. It's the last auspicious day. It would be great if we became a monk on that auspicious day.
It is all right, don't worry. In case he can become a monk, then both you and I would be at ease. Isn't it?
Yes, Father. I'm really concerned that these guys might kill somebody. Or somebody might kill them.
That is how these children are. And Piak is no different. And I'm telling you that I will make him a monk after he graduates. Just because he keeps fighting day after day, he will soon land himself in jail.
Yay! Yippee! Now it's your turn. Hey, what are you doing?
Ram, look at one Lapa. She's so beautiful. Colt, you call her here. And tell her that I'm treating her with beer.
See, like this. Hold it like this, okay?
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Vanlapa,
Okay.
please come, let's have some drink together.
No, why should I drink beer with you?
I respect you. Won't you return some respect to Pooh?
What for? Is your boss that big now? Now go and ask him if he knows Lam Singh. Lam
Hey,
Singh.
you're not doing it right.
Oh. The lady doesn't want to go. What can you do?
Just leave him, Lamb. Just leave him. Let's go.
All right. I don't want to bully a kid.
What happened, Lamb? You think that you're a bodyguard of this girl?
Let's go, Lamb.
Hey, leave her.
Where do you think you're going?
Let me go.
I'm seeing you since a while. Come with me. Let's have some beer.
No, I'll go home.
She's Danks.
Oh, you're so arrogant. Now I'll take out all this arrogance from you. Now come with me quietly.
Go to hell. If Dan comes to know about this,
You abuse me, stupid girl. How dare you abuse me?
You bastard Pio. Come and fight me, you coward.
Hey, Lamb, you better behave yourself.
you ain't a man. You hurt a lady. Show this knife to your sister. Let's go, Lamb. Don't mess with them.
What are you guys saying? Come on. Come on. Leave from here. Leave. Leave from here.
Jagal! Huh? Hit them hard! Kill him! Yes! I will not spare you! Yeah! Don't spare them! Don't spare them! Kill them! Yes, hold him tight! Hold him! Hit him hard! The newspaper called that incident as the 13 Banglampu store fight. It's the big fight between Byerly gang and Bottle Bomb gang. And it's the breaking point between Dang, Pew and Dumb. Since then, they kept messing with each other. Soon after that, there was a coup in October 1958. The coup committee announced a clearance of people who are gangsters in Bangkok, causing lot of famous gangsters were under arrested. The rest fled to different places and directions. Dang Byerly was one of them who must be arrested. I'd never heard of him again. I only knew he went out of Prenacon. After that, I didn't know where exactly he went. After I was expelled, I became a gangster, ran the gambling den and whorehouse, committed money extortion. In Visut Kasat area, I was known as Visut Kasat. I was chased no longer than that. I got a lie low with Sergeant Chien at U Tapau. I'd never thought I would see Dang again there.